Hey guys, long time no see. As you can see, I've just gained a little bit of weight, maybe just more than a little bit of weight. But let me just get straight to the topic. In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can freeze cells on Google Sheet. So I'm just going to be quiet and let the user guidings product guide take over from here. So let's go. Alright, this was it. Now I'm just going to show you how I created this easy guide in maybe like in a minute or two. So let's go. As I promised, now I'm about to show you how I created the product guide with our platform. So let's just begin. Okay, the first step, we're going to use tooltips. Create from scratch tooltip. I want my users to proceed when the element is clicked, so because of that I'll be choosing this one. I want my users to be able to interact with the page, so I'll be choosing those two in every step that is going to come from now on. Don't forget to save it, kids. Right. The next step. Again, same tooltip. The last step. Alright, done. This was it. So you see, it just took 2 minutes for me to create it, and I'm someone who does those kind of things slowly. I'm sure that you can do it better than I do. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye bye and stay safe.